Well, hello. So, is today the day? Yes, it is. Today is the day that I finally get rid of something. Switch it to the camera. Today is the day that I get rid of this clump, the Hako. And I'll even do that before because this is an unboxing and I will be testing it, and just need to move some SSDs that I've been testing, working with, because I'm getting rid of the Hako. Yes, I am. I'm gonna leave the stand just for now, but this is now gone. I need to move this. I'll still keep it as a backup. Are you excited? I know some of you know from the Discord. But yeah, so blade. Breathe in and cut. Double bagged. Okay. And I had it upside down. It's okay. And this is the whatchamacallit? Yihua. Yoo-hoo! That's what I call it. Yihua. Operación manual, mode employee, sorry. Manuale operativo. And the German, I have no idea. I wish I knew more languages. And this is just a quick setup, yep. Here we go. So there's a tip. There's a tip. There's the 210. There's that. Yep. So that's the 245. I need more space. And the station. Wow. Cute little sponge. We don't use sponges. Don't use sponges. Stay. I like talking to my dog. That's cute. Okay, so I've set it up with the T245 handle, because the T210 with the C210 tip, I mean, that's much finer than what I'm used to. So I'm just going to be testing right now with the C245 tip. I have it connected, plugged in. Shall we connect? Let's do it. Beep, beep, and it goes up to, well, it starts at 200. I can see it says that normally it's 115 and 210 for those two. So 200. what? Both are 350, 400, 450. So yeah, 245 for the settings for 3 and 4, 115 and 220 for 1 and 2 with the presets. I'm just gonna use channel 3 was what, 400. Okay, let's do 400. No, I want to use 350. It should, yes, it senses that I take it out, and wait, solder. First, let's measure if there's any stray. Wait, how? I'll do that. I'll do that. Yeah, there's no voltage leak on that, but oh wow, yeah, that's awesome. I haven't turned the fume extractor on because that is loud. I'll just use the, I can put that there. The, tip cleaner compound. I'm thrilled about this. I need to learn to use the 210 for, like, that's like a micro pencil type thing, and I'm used to using stuff like this. But having the 210 is gonna be a lifesaver. And I put it back in, and it enters sleep and should go down to 200. Yeah, of course it takes a while to go down to from 350 to 200. But yeah, so I'm guessing the 210 is just the same. I'm actually surprised about this tip, how well it took solder, because I wasn't expecting that from something as cheap as the ones that comes in here or comes with this. But yeah, I'm gonna be so happy. I need to try and figure out a way to maybe have both irons set up. Maybe go look on Ollie and see if there's a way to, or try and find a second holder, something like that. I don't know. I'll look into that. But right now, I'm really happy with this. I'm super happy, actually. Hakko be gone. Hakko be gone. And it's down to 200. Turn it off. Turns off. And sweet screen or protector removal. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.